After early morning sunshine, the clouds rolled in, and then we had a few showers during the evening in some locations, some brief heavy rain around other places. No rain at all. Tomorrow, I think most everybody will see a lot of sunshine. Let's take a look at the temperature. I said today would be 59 degrees, and for most of the day, this afternoon it was right around 59, but then it shot up to 64, so I missed a 3-degree guarantee, but it was on the good side of that, I guess, the warm side at 64. Tomorrow, I think it will be similar. The air mass will be warming up. Not everybody was at 64 degrees, and so tomorrow I think most people will. Mid-60s tomorrow, but the wind is going to make all the difference tomorrow. That wind advisory in effect from 2 to 8 p.m. Now, the wind advisory officially in effect from southeast of Boise to Mountain Home. So downtown Boise is not in the wind advisory, even though the blue covers this. It is really southeast Boise down to the south. It will be windy in most locations, but windiest right here between Boise and Glens Ferry. And in the Owyhee Mountains, the higher elevations around Reynolds Creek up into Silver City, you're going to have some strong winds blowing as well. Precision Live Doppler's been showing that precipitation, and you see some heavier rains down to the south. All of this is tracking from southeast to northwest, kind of an interesting direction. It's going to wrap around a low pressure system that's down to the south, and so the motion will be like this. It'll go to the west, and then it will drop to the south, and then drier weather will come in from the north during the day tomorrow, and it really will make a lot of sunshine. It'll be a pleasant day with the sunshine. You can see the swirl. Notice this moisture is going from south to north, and you see this moisture over here, a little further to the west, is beginning to go from north to south around that California low pressure system. As that slides to the east, it'll wrap that moisture down to the south, and this dry weather that's up near Spokane that looks like it's retreating will advance. And tomorrow morning, a few clouds in the morning, and then the sunshine will come out. So there's that low pressure system circulating here. It will slide on down to the east, and this is the clearer weather that will come in from north to south, and it's really not all that cold up in here. And so when the cloud cover disappears, our temperatures are going to stay milder, getting back up into the mid-60s for most locations tomorrow. Here's my futurecast showing the cloud cover and precipitation into the future. This is tonight at 11 o'clock. That moisture will be tracking on to the north and west. We'll push us ahead to tomorrow morning. And look at the dry weather. We're even getting dry weather coming in from here. It's coming from the northeast, and it will come in from the north as well as this cloud cover starts to then just sag on down to the south. You see during the afternoon there were a few showers trying to pop in the mountains, and there may be an isolated shower, but for the most part this is the way it looks Saturday afternoon with a lot of sunshine, but the wind will be howling coming in from the north and west, and you will notice that wind forecast for Saturday later in the day, bringing those gusty winds in. This is 1:30 in the afternoon, gusting over 20 miles an hour. So what about the forecast? With high pressure drifting closer, between high and low you get wind. That'll be the case tomorrow. But that high pressure will guarantee some sunshine for the day tomorrow. So a windy day in the afternoon, winds northwest 20 to 30, lighter winds during the morning, mid-60s tomorrow, a lot of sunshine. So really not a bad day. If you don't like the wind, you won't like the afternoon. But if you're okay with that, tomorrow's pretty decent. Garden Valley tomorrow, you will hit 61 degrees. I had an isolated shower tonight, but I think you get a lot of sunshine. Everybody in the west central mountains will see that. Pine, Featherville, Idaho City, McCall will get the sunshine as well. The east central mountains, you're going to see a good deal of sunshine as well. Drier weather moving in. 59, 60 degrees, 51 in Shoshone, that's 60 in Twin tomorrow, but the wind will be blowing. No wind advisory, but still gusty winds in the Magic Valley. So sunshine for the entire weekend. My extended forecast shows on Sunday, breezy, but not nearly as windy as tomorrow. So at 61 degrees, Sunday could be the better of the 2 days, unless you want to fly a kite in some strong winds, and tomorrow's the better of the 2 days, I guess. Chance of showers Monday and Wednesday, but you know, this is not a bad weekend coming up with these temperatures in the low 60s. It's just that wind. It is pesky. It's not going to be a great weekend because of that, but you know, the Western Valley, Canyon County, it won't be as windy.
Okay, so
there you go.
Go west, young man.
And bring a kite.
I see that. Yeah. Yeah.
That's it.
Thanks, Scott.
So if